अजून आपल्या गाडयांक हाय सिक्युरिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर प्लेटी बसोवन नाशिल्ल्यांक मातशी थाकाय मेळ्ळा। आता धावपळ करपाची गरज ना। तुमकां सरकारान आनीक 5 वर्सां दिल्यात। बुकिंगे खातीर ऑफिसांतय वचपाची गरज ना। बुकिंग आनी पेमेंट तुमच्यान ऑनलायन करूं येता। ही नवी फिटिंग सेंटरां म्हापश्यां आनी केप्यां जाव येतात।
काही दिसां आदी हाय सिक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेटी बसोवन घेवपा खातीर लोकांक घाम गाळचो पडलो, पूण सरकारान आता ही प्रक्रिया कस्टमर फ्रेंडली केल्या। रियल मेझॉन कंपनीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी हे विशीं येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्हो म्हऱ्यांत सोमारा प्रात्यक्षिक करून दाखयलें। तुमच्यान प्लेटी बसोवपाचें बुकींग ऑनलायन करूं येता। तशेंच तुमकां प्लेट बसोवपाचो दीस थारायिल्लो SMS येतलो। तुमी वेळ मेळटा तेन्ना वचपाचें। हाय सिक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेटी विशीं आशिल्ले समज गैरसमजय तांणी पयस केले। पळयात।
So there are two ways of booking HSRP order. One is an online booking which customer can do from www.realmazon.com and another from the ADT office. While booking order from realmazon.com, customer enters his vehicle number and chassis number. That data gets validated with the Vahan data. If it is not there, then customer have to visit the concerned ADT office for the backlog entry. It means that data is not available with the Vahan server. That's why it's not get populated. Right now we are taking all type of a series because department has already published that notification. So it's not like today in this month only 1000 to 1999. Even though if customer of 6000 series comes early, we take that order. After this, customer have to make an online payment. So after where he get a payment confirmation, its fitment date and slot, which is sent by a customer to the customer over the SMS and the email. If customer want to place an order at the ADT office, they have to visit the ADT office where our data entry operators are there. They will again fill all the details which I said earlier also. In this case, we can make the payment either cash or a debit credit card. And on successful payment, we will get again a SMS and a hard copy. As soon as plates are ready, one SMS sent to customer, his plate is ready and he have to plot his vehicle at fitment station at the allotted date and time.
See, the contract is for 5 years, but we will get it 2.5 years.
2.5 year planning. We are planning to get it converted as soon as possible. All HSRP is having a specific size, specific form. And when we read this number, we can digitize it from where it is going, whose vehicle it is. But it is possible. But until unless it is not implemented fully, you can't do it. Bangalore, they have done it. They have installed all the cameras, digitization software, and they have with the help of HSRP. Only with the help of HSRP we can do it.
नंबर प्लेटी बसोवपा खातीर म्हापश्यां आनी केप्यां अशी 2 केंद्रां सुरू करतले अशें येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन सांगलें। प्लेटींच्या सुरक्षेच्या विशयाचेरय तो उलयलो।
Security features are very clear, which is depicted here. Hot stepped to at 220 degrees. This hologram, which is fixed, itself is a proof at that temperature that nobody can just do and temper what he wants. Then you have a unique laser code engraved. Then IND legend as well. We did give certain serial numbers. We did give certain dates for those serial numbers. But it does not mean that once that date is over, their number plate can never be fixed. This was a misconception which led to crowds gathering and lot of confusion everywhere.
सचिवालयातल्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब।